Let's go. I was born to kill it. I was meant to win. I am down and willing, so I will find a way. It took a minute, I didn't have to right away. When it got hot in the kitchen,
We have been getting a lot of requests to see more aggressive styling GR Hilux, and this is exactly what I have here today. We've done the front, we've done the back, we've done a whole bunch of things to this car. We've even done a 2-inch lift through Dobinsons with the upper control arms. It's got the Black Rhino wheels with some all-terrain tires. So we do have a King Series Plus bull bar available that comes with the hoops, but this customer wanted to go more sleek, so we did have the King Series bull bar fitted. Now, this one does come standard with daytime running indicator and the fog light there. We do have the 3.5 ton rate recovery points, which are red underneath here. Now, for the lighting system, we did go ahead with a laser lamp light bar inside, and on top we have the new 9-inch Luminos Lights. This one we've actually gone ahead and done the white daytime running lights. We do have an option to do the amber ones as well. So these are the Black Rhino wheels on some all-terrain Yokohama tires. Now, to actually have these tires fitted, we actually had to have a lift. So we went ahead with the Dobinsons 2-inch lift with the up control arm as well. Now, because we did have a 2-inch lift on this car to make it more convenient to get in and out, we have fitted the new Hammer power side steps. As soon as you open that door, that step does deploy, does have that lighting in white, very convenient at night. We also do have Hammer logo on there, and as soon as you close that door, that step nicely tucks away. Very convenient, very easy to get in and out of the vehicle. Now for the rear of this tub, we've gone ahead with the Hammer auto roller, so you can have items in there secured. You don't have to worry about anything being stolen. Top of that, for that look, we've done the Night Fury sports bar, and on top of that, we have the ruby lights over there. Now, we did also install a central locking system for the tailgate since it doesn't have it standard. It's just so you have more secure and peace of mind and no one steals your stuff. Stay tuned for more builds like this. Check out our shorts, other YouTube videos to see what we're doing and what we're going to do soon.